Good afternoon, everyone. This is your host Ishan Mohan, and you guys will be wondering that why am I having this football in my hand? This is because I am inside this beautiful FC Madras arena in MNR Nagar, Chennai, and I'll be talking to Mr. Vijay regarding this institution as well as the current scenario of Indian football. So I would like to welcome you, Mr. Vijay.
Thank you so much.
The first question that I would like to ask you is started in 2006 as Mahagun Football Club, Madras FC is one of the oldest academies in the city. After a decade, how do you feel is it different from other academies in the city?
So when we started, this was a very new things to the people here. So actually, it was like first of a kind here. As a football thing, I feel that this whole Chennai group, whole India is developing in this grassroots level. So yeah, it's developing. It's picking up slowly. Lots of academies coming in. So there is some development happening in this grassroots level.
So, Mr. Vijay, what do you feel about the current scenario of Indian football?
Current scenario is right now I feel this is a transition period from what we had earlier. So in a couple of in 10 or 5 to 10 years I feel there will be lots of changes in Indian football.
Madras FC really focuses on the grass level football. So, how important is it for the future of Indian football?
So grass level football is just a basic, it's just a beginning. If we are able to keep this grassroots level together for 5 to 10 years, we will be having a solid team in future. So it is actually helping the future of Indian football.
Despite investments like ISL, football hasn't grown that much in India. Why is it so?
Uh, there they have started that kind of thing long time ago in West, and we already have so many supporters of EPL and Bundesliga people in India. So we just have to convert them to Indian supporters. That's it. So it's just a period of time.
As you were talking about European football, people really follow European football with lots of passion. But when you are talking about Indian football, the passion disappears. So, like, why is it so?
Mainly the telecast. The number of telecasts that our tournament is shown in the TV is very less. So I feel that many are not knowing that what is happening in India. Many knows what is happening outside because it is being telecasted, and the quality of telecast is also good. So media, I would say, it has to also pick up side by this simultaneously.
Mr. Girish, the founder of FC Madras, wants to produce a Messi or a Ronaldo from India. Do you see it happening in near future?
Yes, I can see that happening because the talent that we have now, it is promising. So if we are able to keep that under 11 till 15, we can definitely see players like them.
If scouts from Real Madrid, United, or Chelsea are watching this interview, do you have any message for them?
If they watch this interview, that will be you will. This is going to be a surprise for you guys, for them. We can also do things. So if they come, I don't think we will be ready to give. We will be ready to challenge them as a club. So we might have a competition with Real probably in future, a practice match with Real Madrid, something like that happening soon.
Tell me one player from Madras FC that our viewers should remember and can be the next Sunil Chhetri, JJ Lal Pekua, or Gurpreet Singh Sandhu of Indian football.
I cannot specifically tell you one player because most of them are good here. So I cannot say one here from my club. There's lots of people here showing some promising changes. So this whole standard is going to develop. I feel that these boys will be better than the players that you mentioned.
Thank you so much, sir. This was wonderful, and thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
And guys, this is it from us. For more interesting sports interviews, tune into ACJ TV.